I'm like a 10 dog, brother. I'm just open my mouth, going on my mother if you can save it up, they can eat, brother.
Bad man, right now you look young like a 10 dog, bad man. And I'm young like a 55. By the way, mother, they have some leftover food in there. Can I come up here and come at you?
Man, I can't afford one.
Pardon?
No.
Why free? I'm gonna that. Man, will a piece of food. How much for chicken? And I feel soon forward now because I'm have a client, you know. I'm supposed to have one online right now. Yes, dog. I'm hungry in idea, broke dog.
That's why slippers look on by out here.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, slippers. And I'm one time brand new slippers because this a peel off, isn't it? And your trigger soon forward. There, man. Yeah.
Just look at it, man. Just look at it, brother. Right now I feel good, bro. Serious. You want to see me can chop something for them, see me?
Yeah.
Come on, I chop like I used to money, see me, dog?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm just working, see me? We'll find out if you have a credit card or not, see me? See that? See somebody.
Yeah.
So when we can chat to you, see me?
Yeah.
I want to see in the bar.
Yeah, man. Said you have win $17.5 million. It will be delivered to you in 2 to 3 working days.
Come on, there, see me? Dear car and big house, see me? Yeah. So we have to do this, see me, did it? Yeah. Just look at it, bro, watch out. And New York can come from the theater, man.
Yeah,
See that? Just booking, is it? Yeah, his name James, is it? Yeah, man, so we'll try up here and try to get some money from him, is it?
Yeah,
Buy up some house and car and stuff. See, you serious how man them a live, bro?
Yeah.
Some more live to, bro. So I feel nice when I book it right now. Oh, well, yes, as I was saying, you have got to live in $7.5 million. So, in order for you to claim this package, you have to pay a fee, $20,000. Do you agree? So, do you want this to be private or confidential? Me and my delivery team will be delivering this package to you in 2 to 3 working days, okay?
Yo, dog, I'm gonna make some money, dog.
Really, man.
And my mom saw something.
Dog, I want a new phone, dog.
We got to go, Obeah, man.
Yeah, dog. Bang your line to
Yeah, man, bye. Some ring, yeah, some ring.
And I'm going to chocolate. Hello? My name is Johnny, okay? Please come get me $2.5 million. Okay.
Some ring, man.
Yeah.
Buy some fast car and something. That we have to go to yes.
Make it.
Jordan,
Yo,
guess I go on, brother.
bye-bye.
My name is Chappie Client, brother.
Can't believe that I'm going to depend on the piece of food.
Can't believe that. See you, brother.
So what we are going to do now?
I don't know how to get the thing up, brother. Link you down and so on. You know, so never feeling with the client, brother.
How?
My boy Shrimp, man.
You know, so I'm not trust that boy from morning. Me and say, he be call up on one bag of teeth in saying.
Can't say, man, no do me that.
I'm
Me have to make him man them, brother. You
I
know?
ain't see that to say every day with you, bad man.
So you go still.
Yeah. There you go.
So I'm feeling, man.
Yeah, so get back to client and parents.
Yeah.
Anything come back like a piece of
Yeah, you know, you can't come back on the back. You mad, brother?
And them and the thief, you know, bad man. No, so my name just that man there, isn't it?
Never trust him, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. But my answer phone there, man, the claim going on. No, I take my call again. Give me a phone.
Oh.
So
I will want to ring them in a dark car, right now, man. I know, man, man, want house
I'm
and
going
stuff, isn't it?
to make a call and see if I'm done there. Call one of my friends.
Yeah.
Call one of my friends and link to them. Broski. Where you say, you were man done there? Alright, that's a far to me. I go link. Sally!
Miss Ali!
What the call lang Miss Sally?
Miss Ali!
Eh? What the call? Ano sa mga
Carbon 45,000.
Yeah, but we not have you now.
I go bust on it, you know.
Yeah.
But you see, if I'm not come back,
Mm-hmm.
maybe you know what, maybe me will be strong.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we'll come back with the money, man. As long as the thing work.
Alright.
So just start out the
Call in the dopey. Call in the dopey. Call in the dopey.
Alright, I'm sorry.